Hey guys, it's me Matthias. How you doing today? So today I'm watching Katrina Velarde sing "Through the Rain" by Mariah Carey. She is doing this like in some kind of like studio thingy. I can't really tell what it is. Looks like some kind of concert, but maybe not. But at home, but with no audience. I don't know, but I'm excited to hear this song. I think I've only heard her sing this like once before, and it was like from many years ago. So I'm excited to see an up-to-date version of "Through the Rain" by Katrina Velarde. Here we go.
Through the... Ay, oh my god.
Oh my god, that'd be so bad if she just fell over and hurt herself before she even sang. I like the silver hair. Oh, I love a good sense of humor.
When you get caught in the rain, with nowhere to run, when you destroy and in pain, without anyone, when you keep crying out to be safe, but nobody comes.
I'm feeling this one.
And you feel so far away that you just can't.
She seems a bit sad today. Like, it seems like she's really feeling these words. I don't know. There's something just about like the way she's looking down. I don't know. She just seems sad, and that is also. It's like, oh, this is gonna be a heavy performance. I can feel it.
Find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay. What you say? I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to faith, and I live one more day, and I make it through the rain.
This song is so hard to sing. It's like you have to mix so many different voices. You have to do like falsetto, head, chest voice, and I think Katrina is nailing it. But she just seems like she's really feeling these words. I love her agility. Ooh! Of course, we ran track and field without agility.
Falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arrive safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need.
Let me do the hands for you. Ooh! Oh wow! Ooh, that transition. Woo! Also, I just gotta point out she's sitting down while doing this song. This is one tough song to do, especially sitting down and like kind of hunched forward a bit. Like, ooh, my God, making it challenging for herself.
There's nothing
That was like, she's like, piece of cake.
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again.
But she's, I can stand up once again, and as she is sitting down, she should have stood up. She should have been like, look, I'm doing the words.
And on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And
Oh.
every time
Oh.
I feel afraid,
Oh, and the drummer, oh my god, he's killing it.
You're gonna make it through. Kinikilabutan ako.
Whew. Sometimes my favorite part of the songs are like after they do the big belting finale, when they do like the gentle endings. That part is the part that always gets me choked up because it's like, I don't know, it's the cherry on top to the big bowl of ice cream of the climax of a song, and then when they end it and it's just like so gentle, it kind of brings you back down to earth after you've heard it. So I'm still very impressed that she did that whole song whilst seated. I would have liked if she stood up when Mariah. I would have liked to see her stand up when the lyric says stand up. I think that would have been theatrical, but you know, whatever. Not that big of a deal. She delivered that performance very well, but like you could see in her eyes, she was just like, this song is hitting me hard. So let me know, is something happened to Katrina as to why she's so sad, or am I just imagining things? Because that very well could be what happened. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!